Hi, today I'm going to be talking about why teachers are protective factors. But before we can talk about why they're protective factors, we need to know what protective factors are. So protective factors help prevent the development or worsening of an undesired health condition. For instance, at the individual level, this would look like interpersonal or prosocial skills, health literacy, nutrition, physical activity, reading skills, and sleep. While at the caregiver or family level, this would look like adequate social and emotional support, nurturing environments, social activity, and friendships. And then at the environmental level, it would look at like access to community support services, having a supportive environment, access to the appropriate mental health services, opportunities to serve as a volunteer, and meaningful participation and a feeling of belonging. So getting into why teachers are protective factors, for students, they provide caring relationships. When you enter class each day, the teacher is there and hopefully will want to build a strong connection with you as a student to help you thrive in their classroom and in the school. Teachers also have high expectations and academic standards that they want you to meet, and they try to push you to meet those expectations that they know you can reach, which means that they do believe in you. And lastly, teachers also provide opportunities for participation and contribution by their students. They want all students to be involved within the classroom and equally participate and bring their own thoughts, feelings, and opinions to the classroom. Thank you.